Friends, how are you all? I hope all are doing well. Dear students, welcome back to the English e-learning platform. Students, today I am going to teach you the second chapter, that is strong and brave. Okay, so all of you open the page number 12. Dear students, strong and brave. What is mean by strong? Do you know? So everyone wants to be a strong person and brave person. So what is that? What is meant by strong? Do you know? So strong means having great physical power. We say strong. So who has a great physical power? We say he is strong or she is strong. Did you understand did you get my point? Then brave. What is mean by brave? So sometimes somebody will ask you, who is brave in your class? So what is mean by brave? So brave means having mental or moral strength to face danger situations or fear or difficult situations, or having or showing courage to face the danger situations. We say brave. Have you understood? So the meaning of so these are the meaning of the words between strong and brave. Okay, let us start the lesson. So before I'm going to teach this lesson, let us complete the pre-activity which is given in the page number 12. Okay, so get ready with the pencil here, dear students. Here, who do you think with become strong? Aman or Rishi? So there are two persons here. There are two children here. So the two children are having, I think, breakfast. It is okay. They are having meal. So he is Aman and he is Rishi. So who becomes strong? Can you think? So I think Aman. Aman, he is eating very more food than the Rishi. So Rishi is eating a less food. I think you can see in this picture, okay, in your textbook. Okay, so Aman becomes strong. Aman becomes strong. So Aman is stronger than Rishi. Have you understood? Why means we should have a lot of food. So we should eat more food. A good food we should eat. So he is eating, I think, three or two, four chapatis. Okay, and he has some salads. Okay, and he is also some less chapatis and salads. Correct now? So who eats more, they'll become strong. Okay, if you are able to eat two chapatis, you must eat two chapatis. You should not eat one chapati or half chapati. Okay, if you are able to have one bowl of rice, you can have one bowl of rice, but we must not have a less rice. Okay, very less rice we must have. Okay, and too much rice also we should not have. Okay, so here Aman is strong. So take the right mark to the picture Aman. Okay, now look at Bolu's cart. It has ice cream in it. What do you think? Is the ice cream hot or cold? Let's find out. See, dear students, let me start. Look, that is Roof. He is Mr. Roy's dog. He is strong and brave. See, dear students, so look at this picture. This it is a dog. Correct? Its name is Roof. What is his name? What is the name of this dog? The dog's name is Roof. Okay. So this dog is Mr. Roy. So he is Mr. Roy. Who is he? He is a Mr. Roy. So Mr. Roy's dog. He is Mr. Roy's dog. So whose dog is it? This dog belongs to Mr. Roy. Have you understood? And he is strong and brave. See, dear students, Mr. Roy is strong and brave. So physically he has a great power, and mentally also he has a strength. He used to face the danger situations or the difficult situations. Okay, so he is strong and brave. Okay, let me switch on the next para. That is an ice cream cart. See, this is an ice cream cart. So which cart it is? Ice cream cart. So do you know what is meant by cart? C-A-R-T, cart. What is meant by cart? Cart means a small wheeled vehicle which carries the ice creams or some fast foods. Okay, so this is an ice cream cart. It is Bolu's cart. See, who is selling the ice cream? Bolu is selling the ice cream. So this cart belongs to Bolu. So this ice cream cart belongs to Bolu. Correct? No. So in this cart there is ice cream. So what is there in this cart? There is ice cream in this cart, and the ice cream is cold. So I think you might have eaten. So everybody has eaten. Correct? No? Everybody has eaten ice cream. So how it will be? Will it be cold or will it be hot? Yes, the ice cream is cold. The ice cream will be cold. Correct? No? When in which season do we eat? So in the summer season, especially in the summer season. So we eat ice cream. Correct? No? Yes. Then turn the page number 13, my dear students. Here, Daya is a cobbler. This is his shop. It is small and clean. See, Daya is a cobbler. So a person who is sitting here, his name is Daya. What is his name? Daya. So what is his profession? What is his job? So he is a cobbler. So his job is mending or making shoes or repairing shoes. So cobbler means a person who mends or makes shoes, or a person who makes or repairs shoes, we say cobbler. So Daya is a cobbler. His work is mending or making shoes or repairing the shoes. Okay, and this is his shop. So this shop is it is Daya's shop. So this shop is belonging to the cobbler Daya. Okay, and this shop is small in size, small in area. So this shop is small and clean. See, there is no nothing, there is no any garbage. We cannot see any garbage or waste things in his shop. Correct? No? So his shop is clean. Okay, and small. And let us go to the next picture. This is Parul. So who is she? She is Parul. What is her name? Her name is Parul. This is her new bag. So it is there, no? It is her new bag. So recently she has purchased from the market. Then the new bag is blue. So what is the color of this new bag? The new bag is blue. Okay. She loves blue color. So she loves blue color. So that's why she purchased. She bought a blue bag. See, she loves blue color. That's why she bought blue bag. Have you understood? And Parul likes her new bag. So she likes her new bag. Then let us go to the next picture. Hema is short. So she is Hema. Okay. She is Hema. Hema is short in a size. And her brother Raj is tall. See, her brother. He is her brother. Okay. His name is Raj. So he is tall. He is taller than Hema. Then Annie is Hema's friend. So Annie, her name is Annie. So she is Hema's friend. Who is Hema's friend? Annie is Hema's friend. So Annie is Hema's friend. Raj is brother of Hema. Okay. Then she has brown hair and black eyes. See, Annie. Annie is the no. She has brown hair. You can looking here. As you look here, she has brown hair and black eyes. Who has brown hair and black eyes? Annie. Annie has brown hair and black eyes. Okay. Then let us go to the next para. Here is a bunch of grapes. They are sweet. See, you can see here. So, do you think what are these? What is this? Is this vegetable or is this fruit? Yes, it is the fruit. So, what fruit is it? It is grapes. Correct? No? A bunch of grapes. So, here you can see a bunch of grapes. So, when you eat grapes, you feel sweet. It will be sweet. Correct? No? So, they are sweet. Sometimes the grapes are in sour also. Correct? No? Sour means pudi. Then, let us go to the last picture. This is Mrs. Puri's garden. So, she is Puri. What is her name? Puri. Her name is Puri. So, this garden is belonging to the Puri. So, this is Mrs. Puri's garden. Whose garden is this? This is Puri's garden. So, this garden is belonging to Puri. Then it has many apple trees. See, as you looking in this garden, you can see many apple trees. Correct? No. So apple trees are there. You can see apples in this tree. Correct? No. And it has many apple trees, and they have green leaves. See, this apple tree has green leaves. Correct? No. And they give red and juicy apple. So these apple tree give us red apples and red and juicy apples. Correct? No? So with a full of juice, it will be there in the apple. Correct? No? So have you eaten apple? And what is the color of the apple? Red. Correct? No? So this garden has many apple trees, and these apple trees have many leaves, green leaves, and these apple trees give her red and juicy apples. Dear students, I hope you have understood today's topic, that is strong and brave. Okay, so in the next class we will discuss question answers and grammar part of this lesson. Okay, so thank you everyone. Have a nice day.